When does increasing your auto insurance deductible not make sense? Imagine paying less every month on your car insurance, but then facing a big bill when something goes wrong. That sounds appealing, right? But before you decide to raise your deductible, think about when it might not be a good idea. If you do not have enough savings or an emergency fund to cover a higher deductible, increasing it could cause real financial trouble. For example, if your deductible is $2,000 and you get into an accident that causes $5,000 worth of damage, you will need to pay the first $2,000 yourself. If you don't have that money saved up, it could lead to debt or financial stress. It also might not make sense to raise your deductible if you tend to file many small claims. If your car is older or worth less than $5,000, paying a high deductible for every minor repair might not save you money. For instance, if you need to replace a windshield for $500, but your deductible is $1,000, you will pay the full cost out of pocket. Over time, paying for many small repairs can add up and cancel out any savings from lower premiums. Another situation where increasing your deductible may not be smart is if you are risk-averse. If you prefer predictable costs and want to avoid surprises, a lower deductible might give you peace of mind. This is especially true if you have a fixed income, like retirees on a tight budget, who cannot afford large out-of-pocket expenses. If you are worried about facing multiple claims at once, such as damage to your car and your home, raising your deductible could mean paying more in total. For example, if both get damaged in a storm and each claim has a deductible of $1,000, you might need to pay $2,000 in total. Lastly, if your insurance policy has co-insurance clauses, your financial responsibility could go beyond just the deductible. Co-insurance means you pay a percentage of the costs after the deductible is met, which can increase your expenses. In the end, raising your deductible makes sense only if you have enough money set aside to cover larger costs. If you cannot comfortably pay a higher deductible when needed, sticking with a lower one is safer. It's all about balancing the savings on premiums with your ability to pay out-of-pocket costs. Talking with your insurance agent can help you find the right deductible level that fits your financial situation and comfort with risk.